Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the default search engine on the Samsung Internet browser for the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen you want to open up your Samsung Internet browser. Then tap on the menu key and tap on settings. Next, tap on address bar search. Then in here, by default, it is set to Google, so you can choose another search engine such as Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or YouTube. Or you can tap on add search engine, and from the list here you can choose another search engine that you would like to use. So for example, this start page, you can use that one, and then tap on the back key, and in here now you can set it to start page. And that's it. So that is how you can change the default search engine in Samsung Internet on the Galaxy S22 series. And that's it. So if I now try to use a search key, test, you can see we use the Yahoo search engine to search for my my text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.